have a cutting plotter, or so-called vinyl cutters. We're gonna do an unboxing today. I'm giving you a quick step, quick tutorial on how to do this, or how I did it, because most people that buy those vinyl cutters usually get it from big manufacturers in the US. However, we got this one from China, and I'll share the link down below if anybody's interested. However, I'm going to walk you through this, my pains and wins over unboxing this cutting plotter from China. Stay tuned. Alright, now this is the first box inside the cutting plotter box, and then basically showing the instructions, a lot of screws and bolts, I believe some cutting heads, some blades, and some this could probably be a repair kit. Oh yeah, no, it has a pencil. It comes with a pencil to draw stuff out. That's cool. And this is a DVD of the software, I believe, for the SignMaster cutting plotter that we have here today. Operation manuals. Alright. These are pretty outdated, but they sent us a few VGA cables. Well, one. A male or female head, a nice USB software. Oh, it's a software video. It's a software video operation manual. A video for the software. The way they have it written, you know, China translations, and 2.0 cable for connecting to the computer, so you can talk with the cutting plotter. And a power cord. This is what you have in this nice little box. Alright, vinyl cutters out the box now. Here's the final product. Stay tuned. We're going to do a video of how to use the vinyl cutter or cutting plotter from China. Alright, thank you for watching.